Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 26. From the diagram above, find the value of x correct to one decimal place. Find the value of x correct to one decimal place. Now, we have two sides of this triangle given to us, 8 cm and 12 cm, and this side x, and then we have the angle opposite x given to us at 120 degrees. So using the cosine rule, we have that x square is equals to 8 square plus 12 square minus 2 multiplied by 8 times 12 multiplied by cos 120 degree. So x square is equals to 64 plus 144, then minus 192 multiplied by minus 0.5, cos 120 is minus 0.5. So x square is equals to 208, then plus minus 192 times minus 0.5 will give us 96. So x square is equals to 304. Then x will be equals to the square root of 304, and that is option B. Thank you, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.